One day, Jesus and his disciples went across the sea, to the region of the Gerasenes. The sky was gray, the land was quiet, but in the shadows, a tortured soul waited. Jesus steps out of the boat. His disciples follow. Distant screams echo through the cliffs. Among the tombs lived a man no one could tame. He was naked, broken, chained many times, yet no chain could hold him. Day and night, he cried out, cutting himself with stones. The demoniac appears. Wild eyes, long hair, dirt-covered body, running toward Jesus, then falls to his knees. The shouting of the demoniac's voice was filled with torment. "What do you want with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? I beg you, don't torment me." Jesus, with calm, powerful eyes fixed on the man, said, "Come out of this man, you unclean spirit." The man thrashes briefly, then speaks again. Voice changes, deep, eerie, as if many are speaking at once. "Jesus, Son of God, we know who you are. Have you come to destroy us before the appointed time?" Jesus with authority, "What is your name?" "Demons. My name is Legion, for we are many." A legion, thousands of evil spirits tormenting one man, stealing his peace, his dignity, his very soul. The demons pleaded, "Please, don't send us into the abyss. Let us enter the herd of pigs nearby." There were two hillside pigs grazing. Jesus looks toward them, then back to the man. "Jesus, go." Suddenly, the man convulses, screams, silence. Then, in the distance panic, a herd of 2,000 pigs rush down the steep bank, plunging into the lake below. The man lies still, then slowly sits up. His eyes are different now, clear, at peace. Demoniac now calm, amazed. You've set me free. For years, I was a prisoner in my own body, and now, I'm whole." Jesus gently, "Your chains are gone. Your torment has ended. You are a child of God. Go home to your people. Tell them how much the Lord has done for you, and how he has had mercy on you." Townspeople arrive, frightened by what they've heard. They see the once wild man, clothed and in his right mind, sitting at Jesus' feet. A villager whispers, "Is that him, the madman of the tombs?" Another says, "How? Who is this Jesus?" But fear clouded their hearts. Instead of awe, they asked Jesus to leave their region. The healed man clings to Jesus as he turns to leave. "Please, let me follow you. I will go wherever you go." Jesus smiling with compassion, "No, go home and tell your story. Be my witness. Let them see what God can do." The man walking back toward the town, head high, tears in his eyes, joy in his heart. He had been lost among the tombs, but Jesus restored him. He was a prisoner of darkness, but Jesus set him free, and now he carried light. Because one encounter with Jesus can change everything. Subscribe for more powerful Bible stories. And remember, no chain is too strong. No soul is too far gone. Jesus still sets the captives free. God bless you.